Musicall.
It's time to learn! Let's go!
In this episode, we'll learn about tonic triads. If you've watched our previous episode, you'd know that the tonic means first degree. The new word here today is triad. Tri, triple, third, three. Triad means three notes. The tonic triad is a group of three notes made up of the tonic plus the third and fifth degree above it.
Tonic Triad. Tonic plus third and fifth degree.
Yes, precisely. Here's a C major scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Then label their scale degree in ascending order, first to eighth. C is the first note, and this is your tonic. The third degree above the tonic is E, and the fifth degree above the tonic is G. C is the first degree, forming the base of the tonic triad. The following note of the tonic triad is the third degree from the tonic. In this case, it's E. The final note of the tonic triad is the fifth degree from the tonic. In this case, it's G. Here you have your C major tonic triad. C, E, G.
C, E, G for C major.
Let's look at this scale in ascending order. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Look at the key signature, 1 sharp. This is your G major scale. Now label their scale degree in ascending order. G is the first note and G is your tonic. The third degree above the tonic is B, and the fifth degree above the tonic is D. Here you have your G major tonic triad. G, B, D.
G, B, D for G major. Got it?
Next, let's look at another scale. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. F sharp and C sharp, 2 sharps. It's D major scale. Label the scale degree for D major. D is the first note and D is your tonic. The third degree above the tonic is F sharp, and the fifth degree above the tonic is A. Here you have your D major tonic triad. D, F sharp, A.
D, F sharp, A. Tonic triad for D major.
Next, let's look at a different scale. Here we have F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. There's one flat in the scale, B flat. This is F major scale. Label the scale degree for F major. Your tonic here is F, the first note. The third degree above the tonic is A, and the fifth degree above the tonic is C. Here you have your F major tonic triad. F, A, C.
F, A, C. Tonic triad for F major.
The notes in a tonic triad are always together. Take a look at these. All are incorrect.
Okie dokie, roger that.
If your tonic triad starts in a space note, all 3 notes are space notes. If your tonic triad starts in a line note, then all 3 notes are line notes. Both of these are correct.
Quiz time.
Look at this stave. Which scale has this tonic triad? G major or D major?
G major. The tonic is a G. G, B, D.
Well done! What about this, Dave? Which scale has this tonic triad? C major or F major?
The answer is F major. The tonic for F major is F. F-A-C.
Splendid! Now look at these two options. Option A and option B. Which is the correct tonic triad?
The answer is B.
Great job! Hope you all had fun learning about tonic triads. Save us to your playlist and replay as you like. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Feel free to share this with your friends. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Click the little bell here to receive notifications on our latest posts. See you next time!